Hello friend, this is Tim from Multifit Solar. Let's talk about how to use solar panel cleaning robot in the fall and winter. 1. At the beginning of the snow, the surface of the solar panel is only a layer of floating snow at this time, which can be cleaned by a solar cleaning robot. A cleaning robot can be installed at the starting position of each solar panel, and the solar panels can be repeatedly cleaned through the background control, and the snow layer floating on the solar panels can be cleaned in time so as not to cause snow accumulation on the photovoltaic panels. That's also the fact that the solar panels should be cleaned by solar cleaning robots. If the snow is not thick, it is necessary to clean them in time and do not let the solar panels reach a frozen state. 2. If the snowfall in winter has a greater impact on power generation, so it is best to organize construction personnel to clean up the snow on the solar panels before using the cleaning robot, which can avoid affecting the working of the solar cleaning robots and improve the cleaning of efficiency of the cleaning robot. 3. Due to the drier autumn and winter, photovoltaic panels are easy to be contaminated with stains that are difficult to remove. At this time, you can use the washing mode of the robot, and at the same time use the scrubbing function, which will very easily and intensively clean stubborn stains at a fixed point. 4. Since there may be some leaves or snow in autumn and winter, that will make the robot more slowly. At this point, the use of the robot's acceleration function will help to quickly clean the solar panels. That's all. Thank you. If any need, please follow us.